Right click on the video element, and you'll see right here speed duration, and that's where you can change it to slow motion.
Like changing the speed duration in the program.
So actually, the biggest indicator of that is the quality at which you filmed it. So if you filmed it in 4K, you'll be able to slow it down and it's going to look beautiful.
Okay.
The Adobe software itself has the cleanest processing probably of all of them, but it really depends on what the quality was when you filmed it. Are you filming in 4K?
Yeah, I've got a setting on my iPhone where I can do it in 4K. So
It's going to be beautiful. It's going to be just beautiful and seamless.
the only reason I asked is because there is the slow motion setting just in your camera on the iPhone, but
Hmm.
sometimes it just I don't know. I don't think it films it in 4K. It looks okay, but it sometimes there's like flashing places on the
Yeah.
video.
I think based on, because my husband does this all the time with his YouTube channel, and he always just films in 4K and then he does the slow mo inside of editing. And I think that's probably the cleanest way to do it, in my opinion.